Welcome, my name is Allison Moreno.
And my name is Veronica Mendoza. And this is Jojo, Siwa the G.O.A.T.
She lives her everyday life screaming a boomerang and eating grass.
Now, Jojo Siwa here is made up of cells. These cells come together to form tissue that forms into organs, which work together to function as an organ system that makes Jojo Siwa the goat.
An animal cell is made up of 13 organelles. Looking at a cell, the most important organelle is the nucleus.
The nucleus is surrounded by a structure called the nuclear membrane, which basically just protects what comes and goes through the nucleus.
Inside the nucleus is the nucleolus. It helps synthesize ribosomes.
Also inside the nucleus are chromosomes. Chromosomes are genetic material made up of, or DNA.
This is important because they are responsible for genetic traits and every other function in any cell. Otherwise, the flaws and characteristics we know of Jojo Siwa the goat wouldn't be.
Another very necessary function of a chromosome is that there are instructions for creating proteins. Who creates these proteins using the instruction, you ask? Good old ribosomes do.
Another vital organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short. Its function is to fold and transport proteins.
There are two types of ER, smooth and rough. A smooth ER has no ribosomes attached, and its function is to make hormones and lipids. A rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, and its function is to transfer proteins to the Golgi apparatus.
The Golgi what? The Golgi what? The Golgi apparatus. How do you say it?
Apparatus.
The Golgi apparatus' purpose is to modify, sort, and package proteins for separation. Not to mention, it also moves lipids around the cell and is involved in creating lysosomes.
What you said?
Lysosomes.
What are lysosomes? They are the garbage cleaners of the cell. They contain digestive enzymes which help break down old organelles, viruses, bacteria, and other waste.
Now for the star organelle of a cell. Drum roll, please. The mitochondria! The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But what exactly does that mean? Well, the mitochondria creates energy-rich molecules for the cell by breaking down nutrients. It can be referenced as the digestive system of a cell.
Looking at an animal cell, how do you think all these organelles are kept in place? There are two main properties. The first is the cellular membrane, which holds all the organelles and is the basic spherical shape for an animal cell.
The second is the cytoplasm, which is the fluid that holds all the organelles in place. Last but not least is the centrioles. Their function is to help animal cells with cell division. They help separate chromosomes and form spindle fibers. Before we end this video, keep in mind that Jojo Siwa is not just a regular goat.
She is a goat.